So this is probably one of the most exciting fans I own. This is a bright brass Casablanca Columbia II with working slumber quiet. Working slumber quiet is always nice because I have rotten luck when it comes to slumber quiet. Because somehow, most of the times I buy slumber quiet fans, it's always dead. Not always, but most times. What's really nice about this is that it's bright brass, which makes it really rare, because you just never see these in bright brass. Usually they're antique brass. It's from April of 1981, if I never said that already. And we'll go ahead and start it on the slowest speed. I got this fan from the one and only Chandru at the Pennsylvania meet a few months ago. And when I got this, it had some non-Casablanca blades of some sort. So after waiting a few months, I finally was able to acquire these blades, which are genuine Casablanca. So I would have hung this sooner if it weren't for that. But I'm happy to finally have the right blades for this. Turn the speed up a little bit. I also gave this thing a new hang true canopy because the previous one was a little beat up. Turn the speed up a little bit more. I am so happy to own this thing. This fan is absolutely gorgeous. Paid a lot of money for it, but it was worth it. Increase the speed more. Bringing up to full power now. As expected, it's very powerful. And it runs very, very smoothly. No wobble, which is always nice. Alright, and that is all I have for the Casablanca Columbia II.